Have you ever cleaned your windshield perfectly, only to still feel blinded by oncoming headlights at night? You're not alone. In the United States, over 50% of fatal car crashes happen at night, even though far fewer vehicles are on the road, and glare-related visibility issues are a major reason. Studies show that interior windshield haze can reduce forward visibility by up to 30%, especially during rain, humidity, or nighttime driving. That cloudy film you see is not dirt. It is a dangerous mix of plastic vapors, chemical residue, and moisture slowly coating the inside of your glass. In this video, we are going to uncover professional, permanent methods that don't just clean the windshield, but stop haze from coming back at all. Once you see the difference, you'll never drive with a foggy windshield again. Let's dive in. Method 1. Deep degreasing with isopropyl alcohol. Interior windshield haze is mostly oil-based, which is why regular glass cleaners fail. In the US, automotive interior plastics release volatile compounds that rise and bond to glass, especially in hot climates, creating a greasy film that smears instead of wipes away. Isopropyl alcohol breaks down these oils instead of smearing them, which is why detailers use it as a glass reset. When done correctly, this method can restore up to 90% clarity instantly. It also removes smoker residue and chemical buildup from interior sprays. This step is critical because if oils remain, haze will always return. Here's how to perform it. Mix 70% isopropyl alcohol with distilled water in a 1:1 ratio. Lightly spray the solution onto a clean microfiber towel, but don't spray directly onto the glass to avoid dripping onto electronics. Wipe the windshield in straight vertical strokes from top to bottom. Flip the towel frequently to avoid spreading oils back onto the glass. Repeat once more with a fresh towel until the glass squeaks slightly when wiped. That squeak means oils are gone. You will notice reduced glare from headlights almost immediately. This is the foundation. Skip this and nothing else lasts. Method 2. Vinegar plus distilled water neutralization clean. Even after degreasing, invisible residue can remain, which is why haze often comes back days later. White vinegar neutralizes mineral traces, cleaner residue, and microscopic film left behind by interior chemicals. In US testing environments, vehicles exposed to heat show faster residue bonding without this neutralization step. Vinegar dissolves what alcohol can't, especially alkaline film caused by smoke and plastic vapors. This method also prevents fogging during humidity spikes and winter defrost cycles. Here is how to perform it. Mix equal parts white vinegar and distilled water in a spray bottle. Lightly mist the windshield or apply to a microfiber towel. Wipe in horizontal strokes this time to catch anything missed during the vertical wipe stage. Use moderate pressure, especially near the bottom corners where film builds fastest. Finish with a dry microfiber towel to buff the glass until clear. Do not skip the buffing step because it prevents streaking. Drivers often notice that the windshield stays clearer even when the AC is off. This step locks in the clean and stops recurring film buildup. Method 3. Proper microfiber technique. Even if you use the right cleaner, the wrong cloth can permanently resmear haze. In the US, professional detailers avoid cheap microfiber because low-quality fibers push oils around instead of lifting them. Using 2 towels, one for cleaning and one for final buffing, makes a massive difference in long-term clarity. Circular motions grind residue into the glass, while straight-line vertical wipes lift contamination away. This method reduces streaking by more than 70% compared to random wiping patterns. It also prevents the cloudy ghost glare effect when headlights hit the glass at night. Proper microfiber technique alone can make an average cleaning last twice as long. This is a permanent habit change that keeps haze from coming back. Method 4. HVAC system cleaning. Most people clean the glass but ignore the system that causes haze to return. In the US, interior air systems circulate plastic vapors and moisture directly onto the windshield, especially when the defroster is used. A dirty cabin air filter releases trapped oils and dust back onto the glass every time the fan runs. Cleaning air vents and replacing the cabin filter reduces haze buildup by up to 60% over 6 months. Here is how to perform this method. Replace the cabin air filter if it's more than 12 months old. Use an interior safe cleaner to wipe air vents and surrounding trim. Run the AC in fresh air mode for 10 minutes once a week to purge moisture. Occasionally run the heater on high for a few minutes to dry internal ducts. This method prevents haze from reforming instead of constantly cleaning it away. If your windshield fogs up quickly after cleaning, this is the reason. Method 5. Anti-fog glass sealing. Once the glass is truly clean, sealing it is what makes the results last. Anti-fog treatments create a microscopic barrier that prevents oils and moisture from bonding to the glass. In US climate tests, treated interior glass stays clear up to 3 times longer than untreated glass. These coatings reduce condensation during winter and greasy haze during summer heat. Apply the anti-fog product only after completing all cleaning steps. Use a clean microfiber applicator and spread a thin, even layer across the windshield. Let it haze according to product instructions, then buff gently with a dry towel. Avoid touching the glass for at least 30 minutes. When done correctly, nighttime glare is significantly reduced and the windshield stays clear even during heavy defrost use. This is the final step that turns cleaning into a long-term solution. That's all for this video. Interior windshield haze is not just annoying, it is dangerous. These methods don't just clean the glass, they eliminate the causes permanently. Once you do this correctly, night driving becomes clearer, safer, and far less stressful. If this helped you see the road better, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.